Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends and we are jumping straight into this video. Today's unit is from Amazon from the company Unice. Inside of the box was a bag. Inside of the bag was an elastic band, a pair of lashes that were really cute, a wig cap, as well as a makeup brush. The unit I have is Unice's pre-cut lace wear and go glueless wig. It is a pre-plucked bob wig with a 6x4.5 lace front. It is HD lace, it's 14 inches, and it is 150% density. So this is what the lace is giving. It doesn't look bad at all. I did not bleach the knots, nor did I pluck it. Again, it comes pre-plucked, and this is a pre-cut unit. Yeah, this is what it's giving. In the inside, again, it's a 6x4.5 parting space. It has a breathable cap, as well as two combs on the side, as well as an elastic band because you can wear this glueless, and a comb at the bottom. It as well had like this grip around the entire unit, and I've been seeing this often now on these newer units, and I kind of like it. Like, it literally grips the side of your head. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace with my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown by the company Red, and I'm just gonna spray my lace. Again, you guys, I did not tint the or bleach the knots, just because I had a unit from them previously and I tried to bleach the knots and it was just a waste of my time. It did not bleach. So if you want to bleach the knots, go ahead, but I didn't. But I'm just putting the unit on. After you put the unit on, you literally can just stop there because you can wear this unit glueless. But I did decide to lay this unit down using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just gonna spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. So now for styling, I'm just going to wear a middle part. So I'm just going to clean this part up a little bit. Then after I get it to my liking, I'm going to go in using my wax stick and put some wax along the parting space, then go in with my hot comb. we look all cute or whatever and got this unit flat, I'm gonna go in and just start giving this unit some curls. I was kind of going for like a beach wave type of deal, but I just wanted to add some curls just so that this unit can feel a lot fuller. Again, it's 150% density. It looks full, but it is actually, you know, on the thinner side. So I just want a fuller look, and I think these curls will be so cute. So this is what the unit is giving, sis. And sis, honey, when I say I am feeling myself, like this unit is so bomb. The lace looks really good. It is melted in my skin. Again, if you want to, you can wear it glueless. It looks good either way. I was gonna wear it glueless, but I was just like, let me just glue it down. But anywho, you can run your finger straight through this unit. No tangling, no shedding. Do keep in mind that I did not wash this unit. I didn't do anything to it besides put it onto my head straight out the package. So your experience may be slightly different, but this is a bomb unit. I highly recommend it. It's very beginner friendly. A 5-minute install, 10-minute tops. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.